Yeezys are gone. Nope. Yeezy Day 1 and 2, there will be more Yeezys dropping. They're not finished. Adidas will be dropping more Yeezys at a later date. They are not finished. As you guys know, I wanted to drop a quick video before I get up out of here. May 31st and May 1st was Yeezy Day. The first day, it recapped several Yeezys. Day 2, they were supposed to drop the Pirate Blacks towards the end of the day, but Adidas had so much traffic that it actually crashed the app where you could not even enter your address. Your address wasn't on file. It was logging people out. It was real tough. So they decided to go ahead and drop them roughly, I would say 11 a.m. Central Time the following day. But good news is, guys, those Yeezys are gone. They're no longer on the app. It was quite a few W's. It was fairly easy to pretty much cop pretty much the majority of the Yeezys if you have in the past purchased Yeezys from Adidas Confirm. It was super easy for me. Half of the shoes I didn't even go for, but I copped quite a bit. So today we're going to review the first 2 shoes that came in the mail yesterday. We're going to go ahead and get into the review and let me know what you think, guys. Alright, guys, the first Yeezy we're going to review is the size 7 350 Onyx. Let me see if that Onyx. Yes, size 7 350 Onyx. The boxes look the same. The boxes look the same color. 350 icon. Here you go, the 350 Onyx. Yes, and just offhand, I can tell that the sizing for this actual 350 Onyx, it looks a little bit smaller than the normal 350. It looks quite a bit smaller. Yes. This contains pretty much the recycled material, 0 carbon, 0 waste. They went that way. I'm not sure if the if the stripe reflects, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get an on-feet review out to you guys, a detailed, in-depth review. I just want to do a quick unboxing. I can tell that the laces are not the reflective version. They're 100% all the way black. It's interesting to see the production date. The production date is April of 2022. So as you guys know, that these shoes were previously going to release last year. To be honest with you, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like this version better than my previous 350 black colorway. But I do notice that they don't have the material throughout the shoe. It's a part right here where it's just blank and it doesn't have anything. So I guess they wanted to make that different. It looks like the reflective stripe back here is black instead of the reflective gray. That's some difference that I see in the shoe. Yeah, guys, this seems like it's actually better because it's actually all the way black. And as you can tell on the pull tab, it does not have the red in it. It's just the full shoe is black. Okay, I guess Adidas went all the way because this shoe as well contains the recycled material. I wonder if the Pirate Black is going to contain that as well. Guys, my honest opinion about this shoe is I just think there's a lot going on with this shoe. It is a lot going on with this shoe. And I want to say I like the previous 1.0 and 2.0 version of the Beluga. It just seems like it's, yeah, it just seems like it's a lot going on. Let me check out the production date. The production date is June of 2022. I'm not sure if the laces reflect. I want to say these laces do reflect. I want to say just from looking at them, they look like they actually reflect. This orange stripe, to me it looks a little different than the previous one. So guys, let me go ahead and see if I can compare. This is more of a dark, I don't know guys, it seems like, I'm not sure why they put red. I don't see any red in the shoe. This just looks like a highlight dark orange to me. Like I don't see any red in the shoe. And the gray is, to me, it's kind of, it has a green tint to the gray. So guys, let's go ahead and pull out the previous Beluga that came out right before this one. Yes, guys, to me, this is the previous release Beluga, and it just, for some reason, I'm actually tipping my head off to this model over the newest model. It just seems like the color blocking does not mesh well together, but it's all good. See, to me, it seems like this shoe is a tad bit smaller than this size 7. It just seems like they switched up the sizing a little bit. It just seems like they switched up the sizing a little bit. But guys, I just want to show you a couple pickups that I picked up from Adidas Confirm. It was quite frankly very easy to cop. Congratulations if you cop. The majority of the people cop off the site. So I just want to say congratulations if you cop. Yeezy is official. But be on the lookout, guys. Like I said, there will be more releasing. They will release more Yeezys throughout the year. I don't think that they're finished. I don't think we were just having those, whatever I say, roughly 10 or 11 releases, because I heard that it's more shoes in stock, but we'll have to see how that works. So guys, I just wanted to make a little quick video before I get up out of here, guys, to show you two pickups that came in the mail. I will do a more in-depth review. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all the support. If you've been rocking with me, I appreciate all the support. I promise you. So, guys, Unknown Souls Kicks, officially LLC, Geeked Up, Sneaked Up, Sneaked Up, Geeked Up. And we out.